So this is my another job, another flow, one of the first flow which I would like to say about the job description generator. So what is job description generator? Whenever so you're making an agentic AI app, right? So I'll just give the few details in order to produce that job description, so that it saves lot of time, saves lot of time to the HR first thing. So as you can see, I'm generating this job description, and also a LinkedIn thing is opening up, so that you can also post this job description inside that. So as you can see, I would like to change this to 15 years. So I would just change it to 15 years. Okay, so 15 years, right? 15 years it's changing, and it's also changing the salary and everything. You can change, just check this with this 60,000 to 120,000. Generate job description. So you can see the job description is also showing up. So as you can see, this is a flexible part-time, right? So there's a flexible part-time hours to support work-life balance as well. As you can see, 15 years. Now you can change the tool here. I would like to make it to React. Now I'll change it to what I could say, Seattle, Seattle, right? Seattle, or I could say Pleasanton only, Pleasanton, California. Now it generates a job description. So this is one of the workflow. There's another workflow as well. I would like to tell to you about that. For that, there is a link with this as well. I would like to just show. So as you can see, automation. Due to the automation thing, the LinkedIn is getting opened up and stuff. So as you can see, so HireMate as a part-time, right? Part-time, as you can see, the part-time is also coming up, 60,000. So Pleasanton and California, ability to work at our on-site. So on-site is present, right? So as you can see, I can change it to remote. Again, I'll change it. Again, I'll make it to 150. So you can change anything at every point, so that the job descriptions are generated easily. So as you can see, so LinkedIn is also getting opened up. Now as you can see, 60 to 150,000, flexible part-time hours as well. This is mentioned. And also what I've changed, React, right? React, familiarly preferred qualifications. As you can see, familiarity with front-end technologies, particularly React. So this is a job description which I've created, but still you need manual intervention in that, so that you can make some changes, not much changes. I mean, generating a job description might take 1 hour, but due to this tool or everything, you can just generate it in 5 to 10 minutes, because you have to make that edits. Even though AI is that advanced, we have to do that changes, so that there's minimal intervention and the time is totally increased up, so that it's easy for us. And you can also see, you can type hybrid. So this is the last example I would like to show to you. So it's generating, and the LinkedIn automation as stuff, as you can see. So this is also generates. So salary is given up. So React, so experience with preferred qualification. So it understands that data scientist position does not require a React thing. That's why it's given in the preferred qualifications. Now hybrid. Now I can see hybrid workplace and everything. Part-time position offers a flexible of a hybrid workplace. So this is one of the workflow I would like to say. So what happens? So these job descriptions which are generated here is stored here. So what will we do is we'll compare this to the compare this, and we can create an ATS score based on it, and then we can create a resume workflow for it. I'll show you that in the next video. Thank you. So once I Jenny, so once we have done with that stuff and everything, so I could say that so what we are going to do about this workflow. So this workflow has to happen. So generated job description, we got it, we got based on it. Now we'll access it based on ATS score. So this ATS score is generated here. So this ATS score generated, and it's used to make a decision. So the here I have done a multi reasoning tool and a memory retention tool to use it. Multi reasoning tool, how? So it will, once it will go to the once it will have the ATS score retention, it will automatically deletes the flows, deletes the scores which are less than ATS score, as we can see, and it also sends the rejection letter as well, first thing. And then people who got selected will have the a technical assessment link to that. So if the so one thing is, there is no human intervention. Now we are considering, we are automating it until the job offer is given, because what happens is we are not assessing the assessments by human beings. I mean, there's a loophole, right? So I wanted to show the whole flow. So what happens, so if a interviewer assesses score to it, so I'm keeping 70% as a threshold for each and every email it provides, so that it will go to it. Now what we'll do is, now we'll show that start full workflow. So what is that is, processes 30 resumes. Now you can see this. Now this is the email which I've given. Every email comes to me. So at 11:45 am, congratulations, James Thomas. So based on this, John Martinez. As you can see, we'll follow one thing. We'll go to the John Martinez thing. So it provides Emily Patel. These are all automatically generated resumes because we don't have that resumes with us. So update on your application. These are rejected ones. See, now the technical assessment is also being sent to them. See, John Martinez. So we have seen John Martinez getting the congratulations email, John Martinez getting the technical assessment invitation. So so once everyone gets the job, so you can see, so people who got the technical assessment links, I mean people who got the rejection mails will be removed. So this is called memory retention, which I've used, so that we'll only deal with the stuff which are present with us, which are selected candidates. Technical assessments is being assessed for everyone. So people are getting the technical assessment still. I think around 10 people to 15 people. Now you can see, now John Martinez is moving towards the interview scheduling. He's asking for a slot. So how you can confirm? Just simply through sending this. So we are not planning to or use the human being. So you will get interview confirmed. So interview confirmed John Martinez, right? So John Martinez confirms the interview based on the slots he has given. So if he has selected, now technical screen is done. Now round two. So John Martinez gets the round two one as well. Interview scheduling, right? John Martinez. John Martinez confirms the interview. As you can see, round three system design. Now John Martinez gets this system third was as well. Now John Martinez confirms that as well. Now for the fourth round, John Martinez gets it. John Martinez confirms that as well. So everyone, so it goes on because it's completely automated, where you HR has to not worry about nothing.